Okay. So now we get to the fun part. The hands-on. We get to be hands-on here. Yay! And that's what we're all about at NESS. So here we go. So let's check this out. We're actually going to go right over to building the boat right here. All right, so build a boat. Using the engineering design process, build a boat that can both float in water and balance. So is anyone here familiar with the engineering design process? What's the first thing you have to do when you're an engineer? I see some shaking heads, no. When you want to make something, create something, what is the first step you have to do? You can use that chat feature or raise your hand.
People here are saying research, investigate, design, imagine.
Awesome. Kathy, they're absolutely right. So the friends in the classroom over there, research, we just got some background information. The next thing I heard was design. We have to design the boat. So that's the first thing that we're going to do. We're going to be designing. We're going to then build the boat. Then we got to test it. And then what comes after testing? You just give up and say, oh, you know what? That's the best I could do. Oh, I see blueprints. What do you do after you test it?
Redesign.
Yes, awesome. I see Christian with redo as well and redesign. Okay, awesome. Thank you. So here are all the materials. Can you give me a thumbs up if you have your materials all set? You guys are ready to go with materials? Okay, perfect. Thank you. I see the class with your hands up. Awesome. I see some materials there. Thanks for holding this up. Sweet. You guys are awesome. Let's hear from Robin. Before we go into this engineering design process, Robin is a very inspiring woman that is part of the engineers team on American Magic. And we want to hear from her to get a little word of wisdom before we go into this process.
The really brilliant ideas are the super simple ones. This sort of boat has never existed before. Anything that can make the boat faster is a go. So it's been really exciting to take a 65-page rule, the America's Cup rule, and say, okay, well, we're going to make this boat. This is a super high-performance boat. This whole thing has to fly. America's Cup is about technology. It's who can make the fastest boat and sail it perfectly. It is the top of tech. I'm a young engineer. In terms of creativity, it's not like a job where you have the job and then you go home and live your life. It's your job and your life are mixed in this world. Then it's the people behind the sailors. There's the people behind the tech. There's the people behind the design team. What we do is up to us. And that responsibility is really exciting and also very challenging.
Awesome. Okay. So we are ready. We are inspired. I hope you're inspired. We are ready to go into our process. And as you mentioned, designing your boat is the first step here. So we're going to go ahead and start that. Grab your pen and paper and get creative.